Tesla makes a splash at China Import Expo with Optimus. Tesla's fully autonomous Cybercab made its first appearance in the Asia-Pacific region at the 8th China International Import Expo, CIIE in Shanghai on November 5, becoming the centerpiece of an event that drew 12 of the world's leading automakers. The new model offers a glimpse into Tesla's driverless ride-hailing future, and based on the reception of the event's attendees, it appears that Elon Musk's vision is something that still resonates with people. Tesla showcases its driverless vision with the Cybercab. At this year's expo, themed Mobility, Infinite Possibilities, Tesla's futuristic two-seat Cybercab stood out as a showcase of complete autonomy. According to Tesla staff, the vehicle lacks both a steering wheel and pedals, relying entirely on Tesla's cameras and an end-to-end neural network designed for full self-driving. The Cybercab will ultimately serve in the company's expanding robotaxi fleet, a cornerstone of Elon Musk's long-promised autonomous mobility network. During the event, a Tesla employee emphasized that the Cybercab's model's compact layout reflects real-world usage, as 92% of trips involve just one or two passengers, as noted in a CIIE news report. Trips that require more passengers could easily be handled by the Model 3 and Model Y, which are both capable of seating 4 or even 5 passengers. Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot that is designed for both home and industrial use, was also present at the event. Similar to the Cybercab, Optimus also attracted quite a lot of attention from the event's attendees. Automakers reaffirm commitment to Chinese innovation. Other global automakers, including Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, and Honda, also displayed cutting-edge concept cars and intelligent systems, but few captured the same interest as Tesla's bold showcase of its autonomy and robotics. Beyond new models, this year's CIIE highlighted a renewed focus on local innovation and collaboration in China's rapidly evolving EV landscape. Executives from Volkswagen, Audi, and General Motors reaffirmed that their long-term strategies center on in China for China, strengthening R&D operations, and forming tech partnerships with domestic suppliers. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.